Welcome back to the farm. We're going to talk about what modifications we're going to make to our farm stand to kind of make it a little better this coming year. And we haven't done anything yet. We kind of just knocked the stuff around. So, but we are going to put a sign out here. Of course, right here's the road, and we're going to put some kind of sign here that says farm stand, and we'll make little things to put in there, like with whatever we got, like tomatoes. Eggplants, whatever, I'm gonna put those and we can take them off and on whenever availability comes. So I don't know if we're gonna put it here or maybe up here somewhere. I don't know yet exactly. So we're gonna work all that out. Of course, we got our other sign over there that I'm gonna redo it this spring. So I think we'll replace this step, make it more level. It's just something we put up here temporary. I got some wood I'm gonna put across there and kind of make it a little more appealing. And then I think over here we're gonna do some flowers in this area. Maybe some, probably right in here somewhere. Maybe this whole area right through here maybe. Some kind of like a you pick flowers where you can pick 10 for $2 or something like that. Probably we're debating on what kind and all that stuff. So on this big side here that's kind of plain, I think we're gonna get us some kind of signage here to put like Davis Farmstead, maybe self-serve farm stand or something like that. So we haven't got all our signage yet. We're still kind of working through all that. So I think in here we're definitely going to paint this floor. Last year, and this is just primer, so we hadn't. Looks crappy. So of course, here's some of our signage that we put out front. I think that we got to do something with this because these don't work very well. We put chalkboard paint up here. Don't work very well. You can't get it off. So I don't know if we might get some kind of dry erase board, maybe put it over each one. And that way we can change it or something. I don't know exactly yet. And of course, this is where we put our bread. We left our soap down here all of a sudden.
Oh no.
Oh, all winter. I forgot all about that.
Well, they're getting out.
Yeah. So we got a little freezer that my dad gave us. It's a little stand-up freezer. It kind of looks like a refrigerator, but it's a freezer. We might either put it here or maybe underneath the little table there. I might need to lower that table a little bit because Allison can't reach in there to get the money. So I might do that. I don't know. It wouldn't be that hard to do, would it? I put it on there with screws.
Yeah. Might even make it smaller. I wonder if we could like half,
Well, we got to put that there.
Well, you could put that, but just take part of it off just from here over.
Where you can kind of stay
and
closer
then
to it.
maybe put the
freezer
right there underneath it.
I'm also I'm gonna run some permanent power down here. We ran it last year off the drop cords all the way from the house. So I think I'm gonna bury some conduit and run power all the way down to here. And I don't know if we don't need some lights in there.
Yeah, I think we do because I can't see you now. Your light don't work.
Yeah.
The camera's like getting you. There it goes. That's better right there.
Yeah, we need to put maybe some kind of, not nothing elaborate.
Yeah.
Maybe some of those string light bulbs up here.
Mm-hmm.
I wish we could put some insulation here, but it would look tacky, I think. Just kind of keep that sun from beating down on it. So, but that's the main things, and I think it turned out really nice. We're going to do maybe some signage. I think she's going to put some permanent things like our Venmo and follow us on YouTube and stuff like that. So, then our main thing is we got to paint the floor We'll run some electricity, and we got to figure something out to do here.
Probably
Just,
repaint that.
Yeah, we'll just paint over it. Well, you gonna go back white, or you gonna leave it black?
I don't know.
I like it black.
I'm thinking about leaving it black. We might have some more chalkboard paint. I don't know, but
Just go over it.
just go over it, and then I think it'd be cute to fix our dry erase things, make it look like little pictures with a picture frame around it somehow, make it look cute, hang them up.
Yeah,
I
we could do that.
think it'd look cute.
Because, you know, we changed prices and we got different stuff. Something like this, something else, a little bit nicer.
Yeah, I think something like that would work.
We'd have
Maybe
to
like
almost put it on Velcro. That way you can pull it off and erase it and stick it back.
Yeah. Well, you could put a little nail up there and just hang it up there.
Yeah, do that. That's what you're talking about, a picture frame.
Yeah, I think it'd look cute with the black background, and then we gotta, as you see, it needs clean. We gotta clean out our bays and our little red and white checkerboard.
All right. If you have any ideas that maybe that you think would work here, leave it in the comments down below. Because we're all the time looking for ideas. Of course, our eggs go over here. We got this kind of covered up.
Yeah. Tray things.
Get some, get those carried up to the house.
Yeah.
We'll start using those in a minute. But we'll put our eggs here. I like to fill that whole thing up with eggs.
Oh, me too, yes.
Of course, you know, we could put a little shelf here and sit one of these on top and put the refrigerator underneath there, or the freezer.
Yeah. Yeah, because we really don't use the bottom ones there. No. I could move those over.
You can even put them underneath here.
Yeah, just to put more stuff or something like.
Yeah. Or I could take them up to the garage and use them. Worst case scenario. So we're going to, if you have any, like I said, if you have any ideas, leave them down in the comment, because we're all the time needing ideas. I mean, we're looking around on other stuff and trying to figure it out. So, but we think we're going to go full time on this thing this year. So we're going hard at it. We're going to start with some plant sales, some tomato sales, and pepper sales, plants, and hopefully we'll have some root crops up in here before long, because we'll start planting them in another couple weeks. So we're ready to get started. So we'll have to spend some time down there. It needs to warm up just a little bit. It's a cold paint and stuff won't stick. So we need just a little bit of warm weather, and then we're going to hit this hard. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We should be having some eggs maybe in a couple weeks if you're watching this and you're local. And I don't know if we'll put them down here. You might have to make an appointment and come get them for a little while. But this has really turned out to be good for us, and we're going to hit it hard this year. We're going to go full on. So, like I said, support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.